Please, you are welcome to Expo GH IT Services. In this lesson, we are going to look at how to solve app not installed challenges. We want to see how we can solve this, and it works for any other app. Sometimes you will install an app, but you will get this notification that app not installed. Let's see how we can quickly solve this in less than 2 minutes. So let's try to do that. Okay, so in your installation process, you get to this point and then you get this harmful app blocked. So when you get this, the moment you click on this, you click on OK. Let me click on OK and see. You see, the moment you click on OK, you get this. Okay, app not installed. So when you get to this point, don't click on OK. Click on more details. Then you click on install anyway. Click on install anyway, and then let's wait. So you see that this time around the app will be installed successfully. That is it. So when you are done, you just click on open and the app will be opened. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel so that anytime we upload a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Thank you very much.